What are you taking pictures of?
No
Judd?
pictures allowed.
Absolutely not. As long as you're in it with him.
No, I'm not taking pictures.
Why, ho?
What are you taking?
What are you talking about?
Nothing.
Dirty
Nothing.
girls.
How do you like pie?
Oh. Why are you driving Matt's truck?
I'm not driving Matt's truck.
Bullshit,
Are you
where's
driving Matt's truck?
It's gone.
I don't have it.
Oh, yeah, you do.
No, I don't.
Oh, yes, you do.
Oh, no, I don't.
Where is his truck at, Labby?
It might be at Craig's.
Yeah, Craig's.
So you wouldn't drive it.
Little poop stain. It's gone. Yeah, go get me a beer now, ho.
They don't serve beer.
I want some vodka.
They don't have vodka at Perkins.
Don't make me beat you and the children that I raised.
Beat the kid in the hood.
Don't make me beat you with the children I raised from your loins.
Beat her like she's a white-headed stepchild.
It's a red-headed stepchild, bitch.
Whitehead, because you're white.
Oh, how many times do I have to tell you not to wear big boots? It attracts the men. And I can't, I'm so jealous.
I know you are.
I'm so jealous. And all them guys look at you and they're like trying to take off your clothes and shit.
With their minds.
And they're mind fucking you and I don't like that. Oops. What?